The Kwinana Freeway is the major road serving Perth's southern suburbs and is also the fastest route to the town of Kwinana and the city of Rockingham. The original freeway extension was opened in 1994, and whilst traffic signals were initially installed at freeway intersections, planning allowed for the future construction of 6 interchanges. In 1999, Main Roads WA awarded Theiss the $132 million Kwinana Freeway design and construct contract. The project included the construction of 9 transport interchanges, the relocation of 16 kilometres of existing freeway, and 3 railway tunnels to accommodate the future South West Metropolitan Railway, the construction of 12 kilometres of new freeway, and a further 7 kilometres duplication of Safety Bay Road. This large and complex project required the services of a number of consultants, including principal bridge designers BG&E and roadwork consultants GHD. Installation of 12 long-span precast bridges, including the on-site fabrication, transportation and erection of Australia's largest precast beams, formed a major part of the works. The use of an innovative pre-tensioning design allowed beam weights to be minimised. Traditional techniques were uniquely modified to suit the large 2,000-ton forces required to be induced in the largest beams. Ultimately, beams of up to 48 metres in length and 190 tonnes were transported and erected on-site. The fabrication and storage of the beams was performed in a central precast yard located on the freeway reserve. To ensure that the strict production schedule of 113 beams in 9 months could be achieved, a world-class precast facility was constructed. To reduce the impact on motorists, the erection of the beams occurred over weekends. The beams were loaded onto jinker trailers and transported to each bridge site under police escort. The erection of the simply supported beams tested the limits of the largest hydraulic crane in Western Australia, which was aided by a 208-ton crawler crane. Implementation of detailed crane lift planning ensured the beams were installed safely and efficiently. Effective publicity and traffic management ensured continual traffic flow during the erection process. The bridge abutments were constructed using an innovative design, combining the use of full-height precast panels and ribbed steel soil reinforcement strips backed by in-situ concrete columns to support each bearing load. This cost-effective system allowed for a high-quality finish and efficient production to ensure 12 bridges were constructed in the short project time frame. To enhance the project's extensive path network for pedestrians and cyclists, a total of 7 dual-use path underpasses were constructed at the freeway interchanges. The 3 railway tunnels form part of the proposed South West Metropolitan Railway to allow the railway to be located within the freeway reserve from Glen Iris to Anketell Road and as an underpass to the Safety Bay Road Ennis Avenue interchange. The fast-track construction technique included the erection of more than 500 metres of precast reinforced concrete arches and 1,700 metres of in-situ and precast concrete walls. The northern relocation of freeway and Safety Bay roadworks required extensive logistical planning to ensure minimal disturbance to existing road users. A number of diversions and traffic management initiatives ensured that this could be achieved within the tight project schedule. The latest paving technology meant that road construction was more productive and cost-effective than that using conventional methods. Environmental management was an important consideration for the Southern Freeway extension, which traversed highly sensitive wetlands and bushland. Effective planning ensured that these areas were protected and, in some cases, enhanced. Noise reduction for local residents was a project priority, with public consultations leading to the construction of kilometres of noise and screen walls. Overall programming of the project ensured that works commenced almost simultaneously over 35 kilometres of freeway works. Site infrastructure, in the way of satellite offices and communications, ensured effective coordination of the 1,800 people who worked on the project. This large design and construct project was completed within budget and in less than 20 months from tender award, testament to the commitment and quality of project management provided by Theiss, Main Roads WA and the principal designers BG&E and GHD. Motorists now have a world-class express route between Perth and Mandurah that will reduce fuel consumption and vehicle emissions, cut travel time and improve road safety. The Kwinana Freeway Interchanges and Extension project will act as a model to future large-scale Western Australian projects, showing how innovation and production excellence can be achieved through sound engineering management.